This video we are going to study what is moisture content wet basis and what is moisture content dry basis and how to calculate the moisture content wet basis and dry basis. Representation of moisture content. The Owen dry method considered to be most reliable and accurate method of moisture content measurement. So Owen dry method is most reliable and accurate method. The moisture content of agricultural products can be represented in terms of wet basis and dry basis. Now, what is dry basis moisture content? So, dry basis moisture content is ratio. It is a ratio of weight of water in product and weight of dried product. So, by definition, dry basis moisture content is a percentage equivalent of the ratio of weight of water to the weight of dry matter. In formula, it is represented by MD is equal to WW upon WD multiplied by 100. So, where MD represent percentage moisture content, where WW represent the weight of water in the product, and where WD represent weight of dried product, and all these are represented in terms of gram, and this ratio is in terms of percentage. Now note that the dry basis moisture content can range from 0 to very large percentage. Now, where dry basis moisture content is used, so dry basis moisture content is most commonly used for describing moisture changes during the drying. So we perform the drying operation, and whenever we perform drying operations, we measure the moisture content on a dry basis. So when a sample loses or gain moisture, the change in the dry basis moisture is linearly related to the weight loss or gain. Wet basis moisture is used to describe the water content of agricultural material and food product. Now, where wet basis moisture content is used, so wet basis moisture content is used to describe the water content of agricultural material and food product. When the term moisture content is used in food industry, it is almost always referred to wet basis moisture content. So it is a common term in food industry. Whenever we use the word moisture content, it is always wet basis moisture content. One important example occurs in grain industry, where moisture content of whole grain is determined at each point in the marketing channel where the grain changes ownership. Loses or gain moisture, the change in the dry basis moisture is linearly related to the weight loss or gain. So what is wet basis moisture content? Wet basis moisture content is the ratio. It is the ratio of weight of water in product to weight of product sample. So by definition, Wet basis moisture content is described as the ratio of weight of water to the total weight of material. In terms of formula, it is represented as MW WB is equal to WW upon WW plus WD. Now where WW is weight of water in the product and WD is weight of dry matter of the sample, and it is represented, or it is in terms of gram. Note that the weight basis moisture content ranges from 0 to 100%. Now, what is the relationship between wet basis moisture content and dry basis moisture content? So, it is represented by the equation, that is MD is equal to MW divided by 100 minus MW multiplied by 100. So if we know wet basis moisture content, then we can convert it in terms of dry basis by using this equation. And if we know the moisture content dry basis, we can convert it to wet basis by using the formula, that is MW is equal to MD divided by 100 plus MD multiplied by 100. So if we know the moisture content dry basis by using this formula, we can convert the dry basis moisture content into wet basis moisture content. And if we know wet basis moisture content, we can calculate dry basis moisture content by using this formula, that is the MW divided by 100 minus MW multiplied by 100. And if we know dry basis moisture content, we can use this formula. So there is, when the dry basis moisture content we know. Now important questions. Question number 1, what is the moisture content wet basis and write its formula. So what is moisture content wet basis? It is the ratio. It is the ratio of water in the sample to the total weight of product sample. So it is the ratio weight of water in the product to the weight of product sample. Then question number 2, what is moisture content dry basis and write its formula. So what is moisture content dry basis? It is a ratio. It is the ratio of weight of water in the product to the weight of dried product, and not the total product sample. So important difference is dried product, and in wet basis we take the total product. Now question number 3, write the difference between wet basis moisture content and dry basis moisture content. So what is the difference between wet basis and dry basis moisture content? So first difference is wet basis moisture content, in denominator side we consider the total product sample. So while in dry basis moisture content, in formula in denominator we consider the weight of dried product. Then second difference is in wet basis moisture content ranges from 0 to 100. So wet basis moisture content ranges from 0 to 100, while in a dry basis moisture content ranges from 0 to very large percentage. Then third difference is wet basis moisture content is commonly used. So whenever in food industry moisture content word is used, that means the wet basis moisture content, while the dry basis moisture content is used during the drying operations. So this is the difference, important difference. there is the difference in the also formula. You can mention the formula in difference also. So this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like